Hey everyone, welcome back to pavitechzone. In this video, we are diving into one of the most essential components in Android, the edit text and input handling. If you are a beginner looking to understand how to capture user input in your apps, you are in the right place. By the end of this video, you will know how to use edit text and handle the data entered by the user. So let's get started. First off, what exactly is an edit text? In simple terms, EditText is a widget in Android that allows users to enter and edit text. It's commonly used for things like login forms, search bars, or any place where the user needs to provide input. So open the Android Studio. First we will move to the activity main.xml. Here where we will add our edit text. So we will remove this text view. Give it as edit text. Width we will give it as match parent. And height we will give it as wrap content. We will take edit text little bit center of the screen. It's good. Next we will add hint. We will give it as enter your name, and we will give input type. We will give it as text person name, and we will give id to the text view. Edit text name, and we will add constraints to it. Just drag and drop it. As you can see, we have used the hint attribute. The hint attribute is to give the placeholder text, and the input type is especially what kind of data we accept from the user. Here it's a person name, so I have used the input type as text person name. So as you can see here, we have the edit text with the hint enter your name. It will be like the placeholder. Let me run it and show you the output. As you can see, we have the edit text field in our application with the hint enter your name. So when I click it, we will get the keypad to enter the text. So I will give the name. So we can easily take the input from the user. It is just the simple edit text which do not perform any actions when the user input is taken. Now how do we get the user input from the edit text? We need to access it from our main activity. Open main activity.java. Inside onCreate function, edit text, edit text name, find view by id, r.id.edit text name. Once you have linked the edit text, you can capture the user's input by calling the getText function, and you can convert it to a string. For that, string, we will take the variable as name, edit text name dot get text dot, we will convert it to string. So with this code, whatever user types into the edit text gets stored in this name variable. Let's quickly see this in the action with a simple demo. I will create a button that when clicked grabs the text from the edit text and display it in a text view. So we will add one button here, button, wrap content, text, we will give it as click me, We will take button below the edit text. We will assign it constraints. Looks good. So we have to give an ID to our button. So we will give it as ID button submit. And we will add one text view to display the text. Text view. Width we will give it as match parent. Height will be wrap content. We will give ID to this text view also. ID. We will give ID as text view display. So we will take this text view below the button. We will assign its constraints. Now we will set on-click listener to this button. Go to main activity.java, button, button submit, find view by ID, r.id.button submit, text view, text view display, find view by ID, r.id.text view display. So we will set on click listener to the button, button submit dot set on click listener, new view dot on click listener. So inside on click we will display the text given by the user. We will take this inside the code. Text view display dot set text. We will give it as hello. And name. So when the button is clicked, we will get the text from the edit text and display it in the text view with a simple greeting. Now let's run the app and see the action. Click on run button. So here we have the edit text and the button with click me text. So let me enter the text inside the edit text. So when I click on click me, so as you can see here, when I click on the submit button, you can see the text view updates with the hello Janu. So if I change the text, when I click on click me, so we are getting the text from the user in the edit text. So the input is converted into string and displayed in a text view. So that's it. We have successfully captured user input from an edit text and handled it with a button click. You can use this method in various parts of your app, from login forms to feedback section. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit a like button, subscribe to pavitechzone and ring the bell notification so you don't miss out any further videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.